Hey, what's up? Thanks for checking out this video. So today I am going to show you how to create some beautiful, original, unique wall art. So let's go ahead and jump into this video and enjoy. So initially when I purchased this, I was going to grow vegetables, but each of the terracotta pots have holes in the bottom of it, so I don't want water dripping down my wall or on my floor. So I don't think it's practical for indoor use unless you can put it in your kitchen, maybe over top of your countertops, just a place where you can wipe the surface. But my kitchen doesn't have a lot of natural lighting, so I just bought some artificial succulent plants to put in it that look really real. So I'm about to show you what I did to hook that up.